Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can earn $120 an hour using our ChatGPT in your summer. So it will be a summer side hustle. So let's get started. So first of all, we are using ChatGPT for the content purpose. So first of all, we search as here as OpenAI. So on the OpenAI, we can see we have a first website. We can just click on here. So here we have an option called as product. We can click on here. So here we have to click on the chat GPT. So here we have to just click on the try on web mode. So this is the chat GPT. So we'll open this on the one tab. So the first website is your Akoda. So let's search Akoda. Agoda. Yes, you can see Agoda. So Agoda is a hotel booking website. Okay. So here, like in summers, many people plan their vacations. So you can just plan their vacations and charge them for the travel fee. Just you can book from here. It will be much cheaper from the other website, and you can sell for uh, there. Okay. So here you have hotels, private stays, flight plus hotel, flight, long stay, and activities such as your amusement park and other things. So here you can see if I want to book like flight plus hotel. So for example, if you're traveling from your Delhi NCR to your Mumbai and will departure at like 7, returning will be at 13, and passenger will 1, continue, and room we wanted 1. So we'll search as flight plus hotel. So it will search. So we can just make a new tab till it's searching. So the second site itself is your kit.co. So kit.co is a site that makes our product in a kit form. So for example, if you have convinced someone to go on a vacation like LA or your beach site, so they wanted also a kit of travel like a cooling towel and other things. So here we can see the hotel. So it will cost you like 12,000 at the Moria, and you can just see at the hotel ship it will cost 29,000, 27. So you can choose according to you. Okay. And for example, if you're taking this hotel, Moria Hotel at Gurgaon, Mumbai, so flight. So here it will be costing like 12,000. Okay. So select this room, and you can just resell to the other people by telling this detail to approx like it will be 12,000 means like in US dollar it will be 100, like $100. So you can just charge them about like $200 will make 8,000 of profit. Okay. So this is how you can understand. So for this, so kit. So here we can see kit. So here you have to just log in your account, as I have already logged in my account. So I will just do my profile. So I have made here two kits, a summer kit and a travel kit. So to make that kit, you have to first of all choose a product. So for example, I'm making a winter kit in this video, or like a summer kit. Okay. So I will search as tell or like make a summer kit for my vacations. Okay. So we will search like this. So here we can see we have here. Sorry, I have not written summer kit. Market for a vacation. So here you can see I have previously searched. So here we can see we have here products. So we want first of all sunscreen. Then second is our beach towel, glasses, sunglasses. Then our water bottle, portable with the speaker, insect replicant, so we can just copy this like insect replicant, and we can just open our kit. So in kit we have to just click on this plus button, and we have to create a new kit. So we'll name the kit as summer pack. Okay, and just to next. So from here we can just paste the product. So here are the reference product. Okay, so I will just add this to a kit. So we can just go next item, as we can add as picnic blanket. So it is important to add a picnic blanket because if anyone wants to sleep on the beach, they need a blanket. Okay, just we can just add like this. This is good, or this. We can just add this. Add to the kit. The next is your freezers or beach balls. No cooling towel, portable fan. Yes, you want a portable fan to stay cool in the hot summer daylight. So use this portable fan. So we can just see as waterproof aloe vera gel. Yes, we want aloe vera gel and also a sunscreen also in our kit. So here we can choose aloe vera aloe vera gel. That is good. So we can just see as uh, kit enjoy delicious cooling orders. Like we can just add a portable grill also. If I want to do at night party, I want to drink beer and all stuff. So I will need a portable grill. We can add this grill on. We can just add this type of grill. So here is our kit ready. So we can just click on the view kit option. So save later, share later. So here we have kit. So to check this kit, we can just click on the three dots and we can just copy the link. So we will open a private tab and we can just enter. So here we can see we have our summer kit. So if somebody will buy from our link like this, somebody will buy. So we will get a commission. Okay, so it's costing like a 3,000 rupee in India. So it's about like a $50 in USA. If anybody will buy this, you will get a commission of up to 20 to 10%, depends on the product. So this is how you can just earn from this kit. And let's move to the third. So the third is our Kalyang. So Kalyang is a type of a travel agency. So if I want to go to like Spain or other countries, I will use this site. So you can just use this site. Okay, this books your taxis, hotel. You can just rent your car. So here you can just set your place. Okay, so here you can see you can just hire a mild family car, eco driver, hybrid. So from here you can just rental the car for the others and you can charge more. So same to this site, there is a fourth site known as Expedia. So Expedia is type of travel agency. Give it have a partner program or a travel program. You can just scroll down and here you can just make their flights plan same as packages also. From here you can just make their packages and search for the packages and you can just book the hotel for them and you can just charge as many you want. So, for example, if their budget is a vacation of example like for traveling expenses is like $1,000, so you can just buy from here at 500 $600 and you can make the profit at each time as $400. So it will be very easy to you. So the next site is the Medium. So medium.com. Medium.com. Okay. So here is the medium.com. So this is a site like we can see is a news article top ranking site. So here we can create our article and earn money with them. So we can just add our here our article and earn money with them. So it would be like very nice to us to earn money with while reading article. We will learn also some things. So how this is how you can just earn a $120 amount easily in a 1 hour. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and share the video. Thank you for watching.